चाहूँगा माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सौमित्रा सैकिया सर से, माननीय न्यायाधीश गुवाहाटी उच्च न्यायालय से आज के इस कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करने के लिए माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सौमित्रा सैकिया सर।
Namaskar, good evening. Respected Honorable Mr. Justice Ujjwal Bhuiya, Judge, Supreme Court of India, my brother on the bench, Justice Debashish Barua, Dr. Ashok Saraf, Senior Advocate, former Advocate General Arunachal Pradesh, Dr. Birendra Saraf, Senior Advocate, Advocate General Maharashtra, Sri Soni ji, Sri Upadhyay ji, dignitaries present, members of the Federation, lawyers, Madam Bhuiya, Miss Bhuiya, Madam Saraf, and all the respected guests, parents, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to all of you. I feel extremely honored and humbled to have been invited to be a part of this momentous occasion. I know Dr. Saraf, his brother, and the family members since my childhood, and I know that they have been closely associated with various social work organizations. But today I have seen the extent of efforts put in by both the brothers in gifting or building up and developing a school for the children in the native place belonging to their grandfather and fathers. I wish to congratulate Dr. Saraf and Ashok Saraf and Dr. Birendra Saraf for these efforts. And my brother on the bench has already said what is education. Yes, today's context, education is the biggest tool, is the biggest advantage that any child can have. Education is the basis by which you open up your mind, you accept the world around you, you accept and absorb the information, the things which are going on in the world. And what can be better than starting off this process of a lifelong journey of education through a play school? As the name suggests, a play school is a school to invite the children there and perhaps through a process of the process adopted through a medium of play and not to impose the harshness of the education as it is sometimes done, so that the children are not intimated that they have come to school and they have to perform and they have to get good results. So, in today's context, I think education has a very important role to play. My brother on the bench, Justice Bhuiya, Dr. Saraf, we are all members of and also other members who are members of the fraternity. I'm sure you'll agree with me that after we have been associated with this process of being lawyers or in the legal fraternity, the number of interactions that we have with people and books and information is phenomenal. It increases the spectrum of information which is ordinarily available to a person. So in that context, when children come to school and they come to schools equipped like the ones which has been donated today, there is a greater hope for these children to understand what is going on in this world, how to absorb this information, and how to assimilate it as they grow in their life's journey. Regarding this school, I am informed that this school was, the Gandhi Bal Niketan School was established in the year 1959 by Sri Champalal Upadhyay, who was a prominent and dedicated social worker of Churu district and father of Mr. Upadhyay. This school now runs in Hindi and English medium and has a student strength of 2,000. And the campuses have the best infrastructure and the best teaching methodology. And I understand that in the entire district of Churu, it's probably the only district in the country to have these interactive blackboards. So I think this is an occasion to congratulate Mr. Upadhyay and the Bal Niketan. I request all of you to kindly give a round of applause. And Dr. Saraf, BP Saraf, is an institution in himself. From my childhood, I have known Dr. Saraf because he was also close to my father. I have had interactions with both the Saraf brothers since our childhood. Dr. Saraf is an institution in taxation. He's an authority in taxation. Perhaps he single-handedly developed the taxation law in Northeast, more particularly in the Guwahati High Court. He has authored many books, and he was one of the most prominent counsels, and particularly in the taxation field in the Guwahati High Court, till he was elevated as an honorable judge of the Guwahati High Court. He was later transferred to Bombay and subsequently superannuated as a Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court. And a word about Dr. Saraf and his brother. Dr. Saraf and I was also associated with his chamber while I was in practice for some time. I must confess that taxation law is something which I learned at his chamber, more particularly indirect taxation. And I have seen the manner of effort he puts in his work. Even today, sitting on the bench, when Dr. Saraf appears in courts, we find that he's thoroughly prepared, he puts in a lot of efforts. But besides being a lawyer, besides being an outstanding lawyer, like his father, he has got an enormous zest for social work and a dedicated social work. He has done a lot of work. He was a member of Rotary Club. He's done a lot of work in Guwahati. People who are familiar will be aware that he has developed and renovated various social organizations. And today I have seen what he has done, how he has transformed his native place into a wonderful, beautiful school donated to the Gandhi Bal Niketan. And Dr. Birendra is again an outstanding lawyer. He has always been a brilliant performer in his studies. And I, for one, know that he was a brilliant debater in his college life, school life. And now he's heading the state of Maharashtra as the chief advisor by holding the office of Advocate General Maharashtra. So I must congratulate both the brothers for their untiring efforts in developing this school, handing it over to the people of Ratangarh. And I wish a very long life, healthy life to both of them. And may God give them more strength and energy to involve themselves in further philanthropic activities like this, I must say today perhaps the name of Ratangarh has been transformed into a reality because we have two Ratans sitting right here from Ratangarh. So may I request all of you to give a round of applause. And I think without further delay, we should now await eagerly for the speech of our Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Bhuiyan. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thanks, Mr. Soumitra Sekia sir, Honorable Justice गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट। आपने अपने प्रभावी उद्बोधन में न्यायमूर्ति डॉक्टर बीपी सराफ साहब के जीवन की जिन विशिष्टताओं को हम सबको समझाया। समस्त नगरवासी आज गर्वित हैं कि रतनगढ़ के इस तरह के रत्न जिनको आपने बताया टैक्सेशन की इंस्टीट्यूशन के रूप में आपने उनको महसूस किया है और उनकी जीवन की विशेषताओं को बताते हुए सराफ परिवार की विशेषताएं आपने बताई। आपका बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद। और एजुकेशन की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है वो भी आपने आज के इस माध्यम से समझाई। आज का ये आयोजन शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में एक शिक्षा की बहुत बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस के रूप में भी समायोजित हो रहा है, ऐसा नगरवासी